One question that we get asked, which is important for everybody, is what are some of the questions the Board of Pardons is going to ask you when you get a public interview or a public session? You would set out the reasons for the crime and how you were involved in the crime in your pardon application, and you would also include a 300 to 500 word essay on everything good you've done with your life since then. But then when you file for a pardon, a number of years are going to go by. It's either going to be 3 or 4 or 5 or 7 or 10 years. And during that time period, it's important to do a couple of things to maintain your attractiveness and increase your odds of getting a pardon. Number one, avoid any kind of involvement with law enforcement. That means if your daughter is living in your house and she calls the police for a PFA that doesn't even involve you, it could create a problem. The board wants to see absolutely no involvement with law enforcement, and so that's always a good idea. Number two, maintain strong employment. I know many people struggle with employment and advancement and promotions because of their criminal records, and so for that I want you to remember the Criminal History Record Information Act statute that we did a different video on, that says if somebody's going to use a record against you, they need to deny you in writing and they need to give you a copy of what they considered. And if they didn't, it's a violation of employment law. But still, maintain employment. It shows reliability, it shows dependability, it shows character, it shows strength, all the things that the board is looking for. Also, think about some kind of community involvement. And I don't care if that means volunteering at a soup kitchen or a food bank, anything. Just be able to demonstrate the fact that you have a record of regularly, maybe once or several times a year, reaching out to the community and helping with something. You don't need to start the thing, but you should certainly participate in one. Many of them don't require background checks.